내일 뭘 해요?
친구를 만나요.
그럼 술도 마셔요?
친구는 만나지만 술은 안 마셔요. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
한국어 선생님 장현욱이에요.
게라디예요. In our last lesson, we learned how to connect sentences using and in Korean.
Today, we will learn how to connect sentences using but.
Just like with and, there are two ways to express but sentences in Korean. One where sentences remain separate by a period, and one where sentences are connected. Method number 1, using 하지만.
The first method is using 하지만, which means but or however.
하지만 connects two sentences but keeps them separate with a period between them. After the period, the second sentence begins with 하지만.
공부를 해요. 하지만 일은 안 해요. 공부를 해요. I study. 하지만 일은 안 해요. But I don't work. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. 하지만 비싸요. 한국 음식이 맛있어요 means Korean food is delicious. 하지만 비싸요. But it's expensive. We connected two sentences with 하지만. So, 공부를 해요. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. The first sentence and a period. And with 하지만 begins the second sentence. 일은 안 해요. 하지만 비싸요.
Are you wondering why we use the topic particle in with il, iren? Remember, 2 lessons ago we learned how to use the topic particle in to make comparisons in Korean. The topic particle replaces other particles like iga and ril to highlight the topic being contrasted. Here, iren uses in to emphasize that unlike studying, work is something you don't do. We make a comparison. So in 는, when used for comparison, does something similar to 하지만, but 하지만 does it very clearly, while 는 only hints at a comparison. 는 gives a nuance of comparison. By using 하지만 together with the particle 는, we emphasize the comparison. We could use the object with the object particle ril when forming 하지만 sentences without a problem. But the topic particle 는 fits the object in a 하지만 sentence very well. Method number 2, using 지만 to connect sentences.
The second method is using 지만, which is attached to the verb or adjective stem in the first sentence.
As in the previous lesson with and, there is no difference in meaning between 하지만 and 지만.
The difference is that with 하지만 the sentences remain separate, whereas with 지만 they are combined into one sentence. There is no longer a period between the two sentences.
As in the previous lesson with 고, 지만 is added to the verb stem and the actual modification of the verb occurs with the verb in the second part of the sentence.
공부를 하지만 일은 안 해요. I study, but I don't work. So we can combine two sentences. 공부를 해요 and 하지만 일은 안 해요. So, 네. So 공부를 하다 is the infinitive. We have to remove 다 and we can just add 지만. So 하지만 또 공부를 하지만 일은 안 해요. this 하지만 is but. But 공부를 하지만 this 하 is from 하다. 공부를 하지만 일은 안 해요. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. 하지만 한국 음식이 맛있어요. 맛있다 is the infinitive from 맛있어요. 맛있다. And remove 다 and just add attach 지만. 한국 음식이 맛있지만 비싸요. Korean food is delicious but expensive. So the structure is the first sentence 공부를 해요. 한국 음식이 맛있어요. So we conjugate the verb or adjective from the first sentence. We attach 지만 to the verb or adjective stem from the first sentence. And then second sentence, but this is just one sentence. And there is no period in between. 민수는 날씬하지만 진서는 뚱뚱해요. 진서는 재미있지만 민수는 재미없어요. 김밥은 맛있지만 떡볶이는 맛없어요. 옷은 싸지만 가방은 비싸요.
In the previous lesson, we used go. Go means also in Korean. We used go with do.
For example, 공부도 하고 일도 해요.
I study and I also work. Notice how we use do in the first part and in the second part of the sentence. And remember that 는 is used for comparisons, and with jiman, what we're learning right now, which means but in Korean, we compare two contrasting clauses. As sentences with jiman always represent a comparison, we use them with 는. It sounds better. Without 는, it wouldn't be wrong, but with 는, it's nicer. Now here's the thing. We talked about it previously when we combined sentences with hajiman, sentences that remain separate by a period. We use with the object in the second sentence. But just like with go in our last lesson, when combining sentences with jiman, sentences that are no longer separate by a period, it's better to use the topic particle 는 in the first and in the second part of the sentence.
So like 공부는 하지만 일은 안 해요.
공부는 하지만 일은 안 해요. So we use the topic marking particle with the object in the first and in the second sentence, part of the sentence.
Let's practice with cars. 어렵다. 어렵다. This is a new vocabulary. 어렵다 means difficult. So, and this is an irregular adjective. So, 어렵다, 어려워요. 한국어는 어렵지만 영어는 어렵지 않아요. 춥다, 춥다. 춥다 means cold. This is also an irregular adjective. So 춥다, 추워요. 한국은 춥지만 하와이는 안 추워요. K-pop. K-pop은 듣지만 K-드라마는 안 봐요. 망고. 망고는 먹지만 와인은 안 마셔요. 치마는 사지만 바지는 안 사요. 오늘 태권도는 배우지만 친구는 안 만나요. 오늘 운동은 하지만 일은 안 해요. 컴퓨터는 하지만 쇼핑은 안 해요. 노래는 하지만 공부는 안 해요. 여행은 하지만 텔레비전은 안 봐요. 집에서 영화는 보지만 책은 안 읽어요. 음식은 사지만 커피는 안 사요. 물은 마시지만 주스는 안 마셔요. 소맥은 좋아하지만 와인은 안 좋아해요. 컴퓨터 게임은 하지만 숙제는 안 해요. 바다는 좋아하지만 산은 안 좋아해요. 영어는 배우지만 독일어는 안 배워요. 집에 침대는 있지만 소파는 없어요. 케이크는 먹지만 김밥은 안 먹어요. 빨래는 하지만 청소는 안 해요. 김치찌개는 맵지만 김밥은 안 매워요. 고양이는 날씬하지만 곰은 뚱뚱해요. 컴퓨터 게임은 재미있지만 운동은 재미없어요. 티셔츠는 싸지만 치마는 비싸요. 파티에서 춤은 추지만 노래는 안 해요. 비빔밥이 식당에는 있지만 빵집에는 없어요. 인천에는 바다가 있지만 서울에는 바다가 없어요. 도서관에서는 공부를 하지만 집에서는 공부를 안 해요. 공원에서는 운동을 하지만 집에서는 운동을 안 해요. 게르하드 씨는 한국 음식을 좋아해요?
네, 좋아해요.
한국 음식 뭘 좋아해요? 불고기? 삼겹살?
불고기는 좋아하지만 삼겹살은 안 좋아해요. 불고기는 맛있지만 삼겹살은 맛 없어요.
그래요?
네.
저는 불고기도 맛있고 삼겹살도 맛있어요. 저는 K-팝은 좋아하지만 팝송은 안 좋아해요.
Let's summarize what we have learned. In this lesson, we've learned two methods to connect Korean sentences with but. Method number one is using hajiman to connect sentences. Hajiman means but or however. It connects sentences, but the sentences remain separated with a period in between. Method number two is using jiman to connect two clauses. Jiman is attached to the verb or the adjective stem in the first sentence. It combines contrasting clauses into one sentence without the period in between. The final verb or adjective is then conjugated based on tense or politeness or other grammar. We have also learned that in the case of jiman and hajiman, 는 replaces other particles with the object to emphasize contrast, because with 는 we make comparisons, with hajiman and jiman we also make comparisons. But in separate sentences connected by hajiman at the beginning of the second sentence, 는 only replaces particles in the second part of the sentence. When we connect sentences with jiman that are no longer separate with a period, 는 replaces the particles in the first and in the second part of the sentence. That way it sounds nicer and we emphasize the contrast.
숙제예요.
Try making sentences about your likes and dislikes or activities you do and don't do using hajiman and jiman.
For example, 저는 커피를 좋아하지만 차는 안 좋아해요.
I like coffee, but I don't like tea.
그럼 다음에 또 봐요. 고맙습니다. 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요.